Okay, here's a tutorial related to PowerDirector. I have a clip here on the timeline and the speed was increased, so it's sped up, and if I want to play it, then the video is almost fluent, and then the speed drops and it even stops. Okay, so let's see how to preview the sped up clip fluently. First, let's stop the playback. Okay, now go up here to the cogwheel preferences and go to display and preview mode. Instead of real-time preview, use non-real-time preview. And okay, now it's warning us that we won't have any sound. Okay, and if I play it, of course we don't have any sound, but at least the playback is fluent, the video is not stopping, and the cursor reaches till the end of the clip without any slowdown. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.